This is some real unprofessional, ratchet, trailer park, hills have eyes type ish. This is the people that represent us in America.
Button. Press the goddamn button!
Ma'am, you have one job, and that's to ensure that justice is served. Now, I'm going to roll this clip, but I want to say you did the right thing. You stepped down. I respect that. But this ain't a good look. Roll footage.
What are we doing?
Uber.
This is disgusting.
It's just after 1:30 in the morning on October 4th, and the woman who just pulled up her pants, sitting on the bench, is now face to face with Prescott police. She is Judge Pro Tempore Christine Schaff Olson. The location is known to many as Whiskey Row at Montezuma and Gurley Street, on the same block as the Courthouse Plaza where Schaff Olson works. A source who wishes to remain anonymous obtained this body cam footage, providing it to Fox 10. As the officers try to identify her, Schaff Olson's husband gets involved.
Are you her husband?
Yep.
Okay. Can you hang out over by the cab for me?
Nope. What?
Yeah, you can, because I'm conducting an investigation.
For what?
Because I just saw her puking and urinating, exposing herself to several
Nope,
people.
that wasn't her.
That's Jason Olson, the judge's husband, and also the Parks and Recreation manager for the town of Chino Valley. Police say Olson did not listen to instructions to back away, and as he's being detained, officers say he resisted arrest by tensing up his right arm before being taken to the ground.
Get your ass on the ground, dude.
I'm not doing anything.
515, we're fighting.
I'm not fighting.
Grab the cuffs.
The police report says Schaff Olson showed signs of intoxication and slurred her speech. Schaff Olson was appointed as a judge for Yavapai County Superior Court in 2023. She was a partner for her own law firm for 2 years and has been practicing law for a decade, according to her LinkedIn resume. If you listen closely, she emphasizes her official title.
Minimum, you're getting a ticket.
That's fine. My name is Judge Christine Olson.
The report also says several witnesses walked by minutes earlier and waved the officer down after they saw the judge urinating.
Are they visiting? I have no idea. She's useless. She can't even spell her name.
We reached out to the Yavapai County Superior Court for comment. The court administrator's initial news release just days after the incident said Schaff Olson resigned to attend to personal matters. The latest statement from Yavapai County Superior Court says in part, the Superior Court is aware of the allegations against Judge Christine Schaff Olson. This information was brought to the court's attention on October 4. Judge Schaff Olson accepted full responsibility and formally submitted her resignation on Monday, October 6. To ensure coverage of her calendar, Judge Schaff Olson agreed her last day on the bench would be October 31.
All right, this is your citation. It's a misdemeanor for urinating or defecating in public, okay? So you're going to have to sign it, promising to appear in court in about a month, all right? Your husband's going to be transported to the Yavapai County Jail. He'll be booked in there.
Jason Olson was cited for resisting arrest, interfering with a crime scene investigation, and obstruction of government operations. His employer, the town of Chino Valley, has not responded to our request for comment. Body cam footage shows Judge Schaff Olson struggling to sign the citation.
Nope, right here on the screen. On the screen.
Well, on the screen.
Her attorney tells Fox 10 that she had some sort of medical issue that night, which has no bearing on her performance as a judge.
What are we doing?
That's some nasty ass work. You don't have, like, you could be an officer, you could be whatever. If you go out and have recreational activities outside of the job, nobody just really tripping off of that. Everybody got to decompress at some point. But you, of all people, should know, in the position you are, you should not be out like that. Ever. For one, it's dangerous. Being inebriated like that. Your husband wasn't nowhere near you. Anything could have happened. Now, granted, you are sitting at a bench in front of what it looks like a number of stores. That doesn't really change the fact that you are definitely in a position where you can ward off attacks if they were present or any dangers. Next thing, your business is yours. If you're going to do this, make sure that before you step out of whatever establishment you're in, that your ride is already waiting on you. People who get like pissy drunk and stuff, y'all really don't understand how y'all look. Maybe you don't care. But this is not it. And on top of that, you are or were a government official proceeding over cases, deciding the fate of many citizens. Then you pretty much telling me you you threw up and pissed on yourself, can't handle your alcohol. You should have been at home technically. Like, if y'all gonna, at least you didn't try to drive, but still, you should do this shit at home. Don't bring this out into the public. Why does everybody need to go out and drink or try to drive and drink? Not saying that's what this was, but why y'all just can't do this stuff at home? At least you know you're safe. You're not going to get arrested or put nobody else in harm's way because of your lack of motor functioning. This is disrespectful to the country. This is disrespectful to the judiciary system. I know y'all drink. I know y'all probably smoke and sniff and all type of shit. I know, but see, we don't. We know, but we don't know because y'all know how to stay under the radar with it. You just blatantly out here, and then your husband, they're making no better. Thought his privilege was going to get him a slap on the wrist, or no, not today. Does this bother anyone? Like, when you see the folks that are supposed to be protecting and serving the country, and you see them like this, carrying themselves like this, does that don't bother people at the slightest? Whatever you're going through, I hope you get through it. I hope you get the help that you need. We don't need no more situations like this.
Welcome aboard the flight. This is pilot Pusha talking. We going back to Memphis and coming straight from New Orleans. The estimated time of arrival is about an hour, and I can turn your ghost if you try and play with my power. So when you look up and see the sun flashing, stay in your seat. If the flight attendant say you making trouble, then we got beef. The turbulence might get rocky. You better not spill your food. This is bread and plain.